Hey, how's it going, YouTube? So today we're going to be unboxing something kind of fun. This is a case for my kids. Since I have an AirPod Pro, I'm giving them my my original AirPods, so that they can use it. Put it to use, right? So I ordered this off Amazon. And this one, as you can see, is like a 2-pack. Let's see here. This is one of those thank you cards. It also has easy instructions on how to put it on. Should be very easy. We do care. Very cute. It just says it comes with a 1-year warranty, product replacement. If there's any quality issues, you don't have to return old product. So as you can see, here it is. How cute is that, huh? Alright, so of course it's factory sealed, so let's open this one up. The first cute one here. This is, as you can tell, the avocado. Come on. Oh, cute ring, look at that. And here's the body, alright? So as you can tell, this is meant for the older first generation AirPods. So let's put that in here correctly here. I think that's pretty good. Okay. And plop on the head. Look at that. And as you can see, this is very, very well made. Look, this is the pit. Actually, it's actually, you could tell it's like an indentation. It's almost like they carved it out and then they painted it. I'm not really sure. See, even the eye details, even the skin details. Look at that. That's pretty cool. You can tell that's a very secure case here. So here it is to plug it in. Well, let's do a quick test.